Got a city girl says, how do you rebuild trust with a man without chasing? So I didn't cheat, but acted like an idiot because the pharmacy gave me the wrong medication. Now I'm not a safe space to him and he broke up. Well, if he doesn't really get what's going on, right, and you explained it to him and he doesn't trust you or believe you, that's probably something that's going on with him, not you, right? Like, I don't know what medication you got. Was it like you're supposed to get some ibuprofen at the store and you like showed up with herpes medication or something? Like, I have no idea. I have no idea what the problem is that you're talking about here, city girl. But I will say, I'll say two things, right? The first thing that I'll say is that there's something going on with him probably if he's not trusting you, where he doesn't trust himself. He's got some trauma in his past where it's hard for him to trust. And there's not a whole lot that you can do about that part of it, right? If a guy really has trust issues, you can't fix that, right? He's the only one that can fix it. However, with that being said, I do want to say this, and I talk about this in great detail in the Forever Man program, and it's this. If you want to build trust with a man, you don't build trust during the good times. Trust is not built when everything's like hunky-dory and you guys are just hugging and high-fiving and dancing and stuff, right? That's not when you're like shucking and jiving. That's not when trust is built. Trust is built during the hard times. Trust is built when things are the most difficult. And that's when you build trust with a man, when things are challenging. There's a bunch of different ways that you can show a man that you're on his side. And that's really what you want to do is during difficult times, you want to show him that you're always on his side. That's the best thing that you can do to build trust. So, City Girl, I just want to give you a goddess shooting shout out. Goddess shout out. We'll just call it that for now. Goddess shout out.